Good day, everyone. Today, we will be looking at the facility management, which is a crucial element within the construction management. Facility management is about integrating people, place, process, and technology to support and enhance an organization's primary objectives. To give you a perspective, real world perspective, think about large scale projects like the Burj Khalifa. Facility management ensures that even after construction, this mega structure operates efficiently from HVAC systems to the elevators in the building. By the end of this session, you will understand the importance of FM, its scope, the roles of a facility manager, and its integration with construction management. I'm your host, Venu Natraj. Let's dive in. Let's look at the learning objectives for this session. Our objectives today are essential for grasping the full scope of facility management. We'll first understand why facility management is critical in any organization. We'll define the scope and the key components of facility management. Identify the various roles and responsibilities of a facility manager. Recognize how facility management integrates with construction management for a holistic approach. For instance, in the maintenance of sports stadiums like the Wembley, facility management ensures the venue is safe, clean, and operationally ready for every event. Now, let's try to understand what is facilities management. Facility management is defined by the European Committee for Standardization as the integration of processes within an organization to maintain and develop services that support and improve its primary activities. Think about large corporations like Google. Their facilities management team ensures that their campuses are not just operational but also support the creative and collaborative culture through innovative workspace designs and amenities. Facilities management covers everything from the physical environment of the building to the comfort of the occupants, making sure all elements are harmoniously managed. Let us now understand the scope of facility management. The scope of facility management is vast and it includes built assets like the buildings and the infrastructure which require regular maintenance and upgrades. It also involves managing people and ensuring that the environment is conducive to productivity and well-being of the people using the facility. It also helps in overseeing organizational processes to ensure that all the systems are functioning seamlessly within the built space. To understand, let's consider a university campus. Facility management not only maintains the lecture halls and dormitories, but also ensures that facilities like libraries and sports centers are well managed and accessible. The administrative part of the scope extends across various types of buildings, including office blocks, where facilities management ensures optimal working conditions and safety. In the case of arenas and convention centers, which need robust event management and security protocols. For schools and educational institutions, facilities management focuses on creating safe and effective learning environments. In hotels, facility management ensures guest satisfaction through excellent maintenance and housekeeping. In shopping complexes and hospitals, where operational efficiency and cleanliness are paramount, facilities management focuses on those areas. For example, managing a hospital involves not just maintaining the infrastructure, but also ensuring that critical systems like the HVAC and medical gas systems are always functional. This not just keeps the place neat, clean, and tidy, it also saves lives. Now let's try to understand the importance of facility management. Why is facilities management important? It creates a safe and comfortable work environment, which boosts employee productivity and satisfaction. Studies show that a well maintained workplace can increase productivity by up to 20%. It reflects on an organization's brand and values. For example, Apple's corporate offices are designed to reflect their innovation and design ethos. It optimizes space utilization and energy efficiency, leading to cost reductions. Green buildings like the Edge in Amsterdam, which is one of the most sustainable office buildings, showcases how facilities management can drive energy efficiency. It helps maintain assets to extend their lifespan and thereby add value. Regular maintenance of equipment like the HVAC systems ensures they operate efficiently and lasts longer. Effective facility management is not just about fixing things, it's about strategic planning and implementing practices that improve the overall functionality and aesthetics of the facility. Let us now understand facilities management as part of the construction management. Construction management involves the planning, coordination, and control from the start to the finish of a project, whereas facility management takes over post construction to ensure that the facility operates efficiently and meets the needs of its occupants. Facility management extends the principles of construction management beyond the project's completion into ongoing operations and maintenance, thereby providing us with a holistic lifecycle approach to the built environment. Let us try to understand this with an example. For instance, the Sydney Opera House. Maintenance is an example of how facility management continues to preserve and enhance a landmark post its construction. Integrating design, construction, and facility management ensures a life cycle approach, keeping facilities functional and efficient over the long term. Let us now try to understand the roles and responsibilities of a facility manager. A facility manager has a multifaceted role, which includes strategic planning and aligning facility management goals with the organizational objectives. For instance, in tech companies like Microsoft, facility management plays a role in shaping workspace strategies that support innovation. Operations and maintenance of buildings, equipment, and systems. This includes ensuring everything from electrical systems to elevators is operational in the building. Space management and workplace strategies, ensuring that the space is utilized effectively and meets the needs of the end users. Ensuring the health and safety and security of the occupants. This is critical in places like airports where safety and security are paramount. Sustainability and energy management to reduce the environmental impact of the facilities. Green buildings and LEED certifications are great examples of how facility management or a facility manager's role integrates into sustainability and energy management. Procurement and contract management. This ensures that services and supplies are sourced cost effectively. Financial planning and budgeting to ensure that the facility management activities are financially sustainable and done within the allocated budget. The facility manager's role requires both technical skills and strong leadership capabilities to manage teams and projects effectively. Now let's try to understand the core competencies essential for a facility manager to succeed. These include, but are not limited to, leadership and strategy, the ability to lead teams and align facility management strategies with the overall business goals, operations and maintenance, knowledge of maintaining systems and ensuring operational efficiency, sustainability and environmental stewardship, commitment to reducing environmental impact through sustainable practices, facility information management, using technology and data to manage facilities effectively, risk management, identifying and mitigating risks to ensure the safety and security of the facility and the people using the facility. Communication. Strong communication skills to interact with various stakeholders. Performance and quality management. Ensuring high standards of performance and quality in all facility management activities. These competencies ensure that a facility manager can handle the complex demands of modern facilities, from smart buildings to sustainable practices. Let's quickly recap what we have covered in this module. Facility management is a multidisciplinary field that integrates people, places, process, and technology to support the core business activities. It involves maintaining and improving agreed services, ensuring that facilities operate smoothly and efficiently. A successful facility management professional needs a diverse skill set, including technical knowledge, business acumen, and strong interpersonal skills. As buildings become more complex, facility managers' role in the construction lifecycle becomes even more critical, ensuring that facilities remain functional and meet the evolving needs of the users. Consider facility manager as the glue that holds everything together, ensuring that facilities are not just operational but optimized for performance sustainability. I would love to hear your thoughts and questions. Feel free to ask about any specific aspects of facility management that interests you or any real-world examples you would like to quote. You can post them in the comment section and I would be glad to respond. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next module. Until then, take care.